As we start the new year, our internal sadhana is perhaps the single most important aspect to achieving the goals that are so important to us. And Gayatri Sadhana is one of the greats. So I thought I'd dress in yellow and come out into the wind to show that Gayatri Sadhana, any kind of spirituality, is to be done in the winds of life. You need your internal time, but you can find that anywhere. On the tube, on a bus. I was going to say while driving, but let's be careful of that one. While walking, while doing anything. If you go inside and find the place where your light connects to your great self, there's something powerful. You've done a lot of meditating, I've done a lot of connecting, so take a second to do whatever's necessary to be connected inside yourself, to make sure your spine is up, your lungs are full, your awareness is ready, and follow the breath into your heart and up to your brow center. Let the breath come out, but keep your awareness growing a little bit stronger at the brow center each time. Treasuring the heart as a jumping off point to brow center. Treasuring the heart as a giving out point to world. As you give, so you receive. Into heart. Jump off to brow center. And now allow your awareness to stay in the brow center, and maybe even, if you're familiar with it, the Jyoti Kendra, a little bit further back and up and in. Allow your awareness to gather its strength and its power there a little bit more with each in-breath. Out-breath resting there, gazing. And then with a little internal twist of your attention, allow a sense of light to blossom there. It might be a golden light, that's common for Gayatri, or it might be any other light that particularly feels good for you. Let it blossom and let yourself suddenly be immersed in an ocean, a field of light, there in the brow center. That wasn't too hard to do that, was it? Allow it to just be there. And if you know the Gayatri Mantra, allow it to start arising itself. The wind's so strong I had to grab the tripod then. In your own experience, life goes backwards and forwards and up and down. Grab the inner tripod. Come back to this place of golden light. And perhaps the 24 syllables of the Gayatri Mantra just begin to blossom there. Each one creating a gorgeous explosion of light. If you're not so sure of the Gayatri Mantra, you could just let syllables like love, 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 or joy, 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 to appear as petals in a lotus, just appearing, joy, joy. Or like the Gayatri, Om, Bhur, Bhuva, Swaha, Tat, Savitur, Varenyam. Each one creating a beautiful explosion of light there in the brow center. Bhago Devasya, Dhimahi, Dhyo Yona, Prachodayat. Once you've done that for a little while, pause and gently consider the light and allow it to fill not just your physical body, but the space in and around your physical body. Let it fill the field of akash, which is naturally you. Love, love, light, light. Tat Savitur Varenyam. As you do that, know that your body, your heart, is becoming filled with the light of your original source. Expanding from brow to fill the whole of your being. I am one with light. I am one with soul. And with that, allow your consciousness to return to normal awareness, but while knowing that you are at your core a golden force field of light, of soul. Open your eyes, gaze around the world from this perspective of, yeah, I'm a golden force field of soul force. How cool is that? We hope to see you as we explore the Gayatri Sadhana together through this year, and we hope that you will discover its power in manifesting the life of your dreams. See you soon.